this video, we're going to be upgrading Fedora Linux, and we'll be going from version 39 to version 40, but this process is good for future version upgrades as well, so it's not just for 39 to 40. So let's go ahead and first confirm that we are working off of 39. So see there, Fedora 39, so we're good. Let's see, the next thing we need to do is make sure we have the proper plugin to do the upgrade installed. So we'll do a DNF install DNF plugin system upgrade. I believe it's already installed on here. And one of the prerequisites for doing the upgrade is to make sure updates have been applied to the current version. So we'll do a DNF update or upgrade. So DNF upgrade refresh. Looks like we have some packages to update. So let's go ahead and yes. I'm going to pause while this goes through this process so we don't have to sit here and watch it in silence. So pausing now. That's parts complete. So GPG key. We'll also hit Y, enter. Almost finished. Okay, and the actual installing the updated packages or the new packages is in progress now. So I'm going to pause until this finishes and complete. All right, in the next step, we need to actually download the version 40 packages that we're going to use to upgrade the system. So let's do a DNF system upgrade download ver equals 40 and hit enter. And I'm missing the dashes. I missed something here. Process. So this says make sure you update your system fully before running this upgrade. So we've done that. So yes, Y, enter, and this will begin the process of downloading the Fedora 40 updates or packages. So this fully kicks off. We'll go into pause again, return when it's complete. Be kicking off anytime. Install 29, upgrade 614. We'll say yes to download the packages, install the GPG keys, and prerequisite before the installation starts. So we'll hit yes, downloading the packages. So we're going to pause here until this stage is complete. All right, from here, we'll say yes to importing GPG key, Y, enter, and complete. So we've successfully downloaded all of the version 40 packages and all the prerequisites. Now our next step is to actually kick off the upgrade. So we'll do a DNF system upgrade, reboot. So what's going to happen is once I kick this off, our secure shell session is going to end and the system is going to start up in its upgrade process. So you'll be able to see the process taking place on the local monitor, the monitor that's plugged into the system you're working on. Once that's complete, we'll be able to secure shell back in and complete the process. So I'm going to kick this off and then we'll pause from here. All right, looks like the upgrade is complete. I've secure shelled back into the system and we're ready to the final steps to complete the process. First thing we want to do is confirm upgraded to 40. So let's do a -A, you see right here, 40, so good. And let's go ahead and run our final commands, which is DNF system upgrade, clean, and DNF packages. These are okay, that's fine. And that's it. I think the final step would be running DNF update, DNF upgrade against your system again to make sure version 40 has all updated packages. That's basically all there is to it. 40 to 41, same process. Remember, please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and thank you. I'll see you next time.